What's up guys? All good? My name is Nora. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Eye of God awakening before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end, so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Eye of God awakening works. Welcome to this comprehensive review of the Eye of God awakening. If you're curious about this revolutionary program and wondering if it really works, you're in the right place. The Eye of God awakening is more than just an ordinary spiritual guide. It's a unique approach to unlocking your inner potential by aligning your energy with divine abundance. In this Eye of God awakening review, we'll dive deep into what makes this program so special, how it works, and the incredible benefits it offers. Unlike other programs that rely on the law of attraction, this one taps into ancient spiritual principles combined with modern scientific insights to bring transformative results. Does the Eye of God awakening work? Many people have been asking, does Eye of God awakening work? The answer lies in the powerful tools and techniques it provides. At its core, the program is built around audio tracks with specific sound frequencies designed to activate your spiritual third eye, also known as the Eye of God. These frequencies work by balancing your energy, unlocking mental clarity, and aligning your body and mind with the universal flow of abundance. Users report experiencing significant changes within days of starting the program. Whether it's attracting unexpected financial opportunities, finding solutions to long-standing challenges, or feeling a profound sense of peace, the results speak for themselves. This isn't just a theory. It's a practical, actionable program designed to bring tangible benefits to your life. What is the Eye of God Awakening Program? The Eye of God Awakening Program is a step-by-step guide to spiritual awakening and energy alignment. It includes expertly crafted audio tracks that you can listen to for just a few minutes a day. These tracks are designed to activate your inner potential and connect you with the divine abundance that surrounds you. In addition to the audio tracks, the program includes 3 incredible bonuses. Angelic Reiki Magic, learn how to channel angelic wisdom for healing and guidance. 3,000-year-old healing secret, discover ancient techniques to harmonize your mind, body, and spirit. 300 signs from your angels, uncover how to interpret divine signs like numbers and synchronicities to find your true purpose. These bonuses complement the core program and provide even more tools to help you unlock your potential and transform your life. Why choose the Eye of God Awakening? If you've been searching for a way to improve your life, attract prosperity, and find peace, the Eye of God Awakening could be the answer you've been looking for. Unlike other programs that offer vague promises, this one is grounded in actionable steps and backed by real results. The program comes with a 365-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it without any risk. If you don't see the changes you're hoping for, you can request a full refund, no questions asked. Final thoughts on this Eye of God Awakening review. If you're ready to transform your life and align yourself with divine abundance, the Eye of God Awakening program is worth exploring. Whether you're seeking financial opportunities, personal growth, or a deeper connection to your spiritual self, this program offers the tools and guidance you need. Take the first step toward unlocking your potential today. Start your journey with the Eye of God Awakening and see how it can change your life.